Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 265 and I'm gonna show you how to edit or customize the glances menu on this watch. First, let's open the glances menu on our watch. To do it, tap on the screen to wake it up, and once you wake up the screen you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and on this home screen you can swipe up or down to open the glances menu. And here we have it, we have different glances right here. And what we can do in this menu, we can add glances, remove glances, and reorder them. Also, we can create a folder to basically put some glances into this folder. So either you save more space on this list, or maybe you want to hide them, but you don't want to remove them. Okay, so to add the glances, press and hold the up button when you're in the glances menu. And here, find the option called Add Glance, and then tap on it. Scroll through the list, find the glance you want to add, and tap on it to add it to the list. To remove the glance, press and hold the middle button. First you need to select the glance you want to remove. So let's say I want to remove the calories, then press and hold the up button, select Remove Glance, and the glance will be removed. To reorder the glances, let's say you want to move performance to the bottom of the list. Select it, then press and hold the up button, select Reorder Glance, and then scroll down or up, depending on what you want. I said to move it to the bottom, and then press Start button to place it in the place you selected. If you want to create the folder, press and hold the up button, scroll down, select, select Create Folder, tap on it, and here we can select the apps that should be either copied or moved to the folder we create. I'm gonna select maybe heart rate, steps, sleep, and sleep. Okay, and then we can press the we can't press the start button. We can scroll down and tap on done, press the start button, and here we have option to move the glances to the folder or just copy them. I'm just gonna tap on move to move them. And right here we can name the folder, and you have preset names, or you can tap on custom name and name it yourself by entering the name with the keyboard. Okay, now we can select the icon of the folder. Let's select the tent and then press start button. And here we have our folder. We can tap on it to open it and see the glances hidden in it. You can also edit the glance menu through the settings. So if you're on the home screen, you can press and hold the up button and then scroll down through the menu, find the option called Appearance, and once you find it, tap on it, and here select the glances, tap on it, and as you can see, we have the glances right here, and we can add the glance, remove the glance, reorder them, or create the folder. To add the glance, simply scroll all the way down, tap on Add, find the glance you want to add, tap on it, and it will be added to the glance menu. To remove the glance, select the one you want to remove, press the start button, press it again, and the glance will be removed. And to reorder them, select the glance you want to move, press the start button, move it to the place you want it to be in, and press start to confirm. And now when you open the glances, the folder should be at the top. Okay, and that's how you customize or edit the glances menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.